بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعزائي طلبة وطلبات شهادة الثانوية العامة قسم رياضيات لغات، أهلا بكم. النهاردة إن شاء الله هناخد درس جديد في التكامل. طبعا احنا عارفين إن التكامل المحدود والغير محدود مهم جدا جدا، لأن الدرس ده أول مرة ينزل السنة دي في الثانوية العامة. نظرا لأهميته هناخد درس مسائل كتير على الانتجريشن أو التكامل. Welcome my dear student in our math program for secondary 3. Today we are taking new lesson in calculus differentiation. What is the title? Is problems about integration. First example. Find integration of e power 7x respect to dx. Second example, integration of e power negative 3 over 4y dx. Integration 8 e power 2z dz. Solution. Integration of e7x. Integration of e is itself e power 7x is e power 7x, but divided by coefficient of x. Then 1 over 7 e power 7x plus c. Integration of e power 7x is e power 7x, and divided by coefficient of x is 7. Answer is 1 over 7 times e power 7x plus c. Integration of e power negative 3 over 4y equals e power negative 3 4 over y over divided by coefficient of negative 3 over 4 plus c. Answer is negative 4 over 3 e power negative 3 4 over 4y plus c. Integration of 8 constant e power 2z dz equal 8 integration of e power 2z dz is 8 over 2 e power 2z plus c. Why? Because e power 2z, its integration is the same, e power 2z by, after that, divided by coefficient of z is 2. 8 divided 2 equals 4 e power 2z plus c. Remember, dear student, integration of constant f of x dx respect to dx equals the constant multiply integration. If we have integration of constant multiply function, we find the constant multiply integration of this function f of x dx. Also remember, integration of sum or difference between two functions equals integration of the first positive or negative, integration of the second respect to dx. Example. Find each of the following integration. Integration of e power x plus e power negative x over 2 respect to dx. Remember, dear student, we have two functions, e power x and e power negative x over 2, or multiply e power x plus e power negative x inside bracket multiply half. Half is constant. Number 2, find integration of 3 e power x plus 2 e power 2x over 2 e power x respect to dx. Solution. At the first, integration of ex plus e power negative x over 2 dx equal half integration multiply integration of bracket contains e power x multiply e power negative x dx. What is the integration of the ex? X and student is ex. Then integration of the first plus integration of the second equals half multiply bracket contains e power x plus e power negative x plus c. Integration of 3 e power x plus 2 e power 2x over 2 e power x dx equals 3 over 2 dx, integration of 3 over 2 dx, minus, when we divided, numerator has two terms, 3 e power x plus 2 e power 2x. We divided 3 power ex over 2 e power x equals 3 over 2 dx, and divided 2 e power 2x over 2 e power x equal e power x, and find integration of each function. Integration of 3 over 2 equals 3 over 2x. Integration of e power x equal e power x plus c. Remember, dear student, we have integration of two functions, 3 e power x over 2 e power x plus integration of 2 e power 2x over 2 e power x. The answer is integration of 3 over 2 dx minus integration, positive integration e power x is 3 over 2x plus e over power x plus c. Now we are translate to another example. Find each of the following integration. Integration of 4 over 1 plus 2x dx. Integration of 3x plus 3 in numerator, denominator x power 2 plus 3x negative 2 respect to dx, number 3 tan x dx. Solution. Integration of 4 over 1 plus 2x dx. Look at 1 plus 2x is 2. What is the integration of differentiation of 1 plus 2x equals 2? Then integration of 4 over 1 over 2x equals what? Equals 2 multiply 1 plus 2x over 1 equals 2 log 1 plus 2x plus c. Integration of 2x plus 3, when find differentiation of x power 2 plus 3x minus 2 equals 2x plus 3. Then what you mean? Numerator is derivative of denominator. What is the integration? Ln of denominator. Remember, dear student, if we find fraction function, the numerator is derivative of denominator. What is the integration of the fraction function? X and student equals ln of denominator. In this example, we deduce that numerator is derivative of denominator. Then what you deduce? Integration of the fraction is ln of denominator. Dear student, look again the important example. Integration of 2x plus 3 over x power 2 plus 3x minus 2 respect to dx. What you notice? Look at denominator x squared plus 3x minus 2. Its derivative is 2x plus 3. Then integration of the fraction is ln over of denominator. Then the integration becomes ln absolute x squared plus 3x minus 2 plus c. Integration of tan x dx we put tan x as sine x over cosine x respect to dx. Look at, dear student, denominator sine, derivative of sine cosine. Derivative of sine is cosine. What you mean? Equal negative ln absolute denominator cosine x. Remember, dear student, look at sine x is derivative of cosine x. Then derivative of cosine sine, derivative of sine negative cosine. Then integration of sine x over cosine x equals negative ln cosine x plus c equals ln sec x negative 1 sec x plus c. Example, find the equation of the curve in which the slope of the tangent to it at any point xy on it is equal 3 times 2 square of y coordinate if the curve pass through the point 0, 1. This example very important. dy over dx slope is 3y square. dy over y square equal 3 dx multiply dy. We find dy over dx equals 3y square. Then we distribute dy over y square equals 3 dx. Remember, dear student, dy over dx equals 3y square. What you mean? dy over y square equals 3 dx. Dear student, integration of y power negative 2 dy equals integration of 3 dx. Then what is the integration y power negative? Negative y power negative 1 equals integration of 3 dx equals 3x plus c. Then when x equals 0, y equals 1, and c equals negative 1, this point 0, 1, integration constant is negative 1. By substitution, then negative y power negative 1 equals 3x minus 1. Then negative y power negative 1 equals 3x negative 1 multiplied by negative 1, y power equals y power negative 1 equal 1 minus 3 power x multiplied by negative 1. Then 1 over y equals 1 minus 3x by using y equals 1 over 1 minus 3x. This equation between x and y. Another example. Find the equation of the curve y equal f of x if we have second derivative y double dash equals 6x minus 4. At a point 1,5 is local minimum point on it. Solution. We have y double dash equals 6x minus 4. What did you use? We use integration of left hand side and the right hand side. Then y dash integration of left hand side equal integration of right hand side. Y dash equals 3x power 3 minus 4x plus c1 by using 0.15 local minimum point. Then y dash equals 0 when x equals 1 by using c1 is equals 4. Then y dash equals 3x power 3 minus 4x plus 1. After that, we find integration of left hand side and the right hand side. Y to find the equation of the curve by integration, answer is y equal x power 3 minus 2x plus power 2 plus x plus c by using 0.15 is a point on the curve. Then when x equal 1, y equals 5 to find the value of c. What is the value of c? Is 5. What is the equation of the curve? y equal x power 3 minus 2x power 2 plus x plus 5. This equation of the curve. Other example. Find integration of 2x power 3 plus 7 respect to dx. Integration of 5 minus 3x for all power 6 dx. Integration of bracket contains half x minus 5 for all power 7 dx. Integration of 7 over 3 minus 2x power 5. Solution. Integration of 2x power 3 plus 7 dx by using the rule is x power 4 divided 2 plus 7x plus c. Integration of 5 minus 3x for all power 6 dx, bracket 5 minus 3x for all power 7 divided 7 multiply coefficient of x negative 3 plus c equals negative 1 over 21 multiply bracket contains 5 minus 3x for all power 7 plus c. Integration of bracket contains 1 over 2x minus 5 for all power 7 dx equals, we add the power 1, 7 plus 1 equals 8 and divided by 8 multiply its denominator coefficient of x 1 over 2 plus c. Then integration becomes 1 over 4 multiply bracket contains 1 over 2x minus 5 for all power 8 plus c. Integration of 7 over 3 minus 2x bracket for all power 5 dx. This bracket is up 3 minus 2x for all power negative 5. Then integration of 7 multiply 3 minus 2x power for all power negative 5 dx is 7 multiply 3 minus 2x for all power negative 4 over negative 4 multiply coefficient of x negative 2 plus c. Answer is 7 over 8 multiply bracket contains 3 minus 2x for all power negative 4 plus c. Integration of from 1 to y dx over y, integration of 2 over x dx from negative 3 over negative 1, integration of e power x dx from 0 to ln 5. Solution. Integration of dx over y from 1 to e definite equals integration 1 over y is ln y from 1 to e by substitution about y equal e and y equal 1 and subtract, then ln e minus ln 1. What is the ln e? Is 1. What is the ln 1? Is 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. Integration of 2 over x dx from negative 3 over negative 1 is 2 multiply ln x. Why? Because 2 constant. 2 multiply integration 1 over x equal 2 multiply ln x from negative 3 to negative 1 equal to multiply ln minus ln negative 3 equals negative 2 ln 3. After integration e power x respect to dx from 0 to ln 5 equals e power x from 0 to ln 5 by substitution about x ln 5 and x equals 0. Answer is e power ln 5 minus e power 0 equals ln e power ln 5 equals 5. But e power 0 equals 1. Answer is 4. Another example. If we have integration f of x dx from 1 to 5 equals 8 and integration g of x from 5 to 1 dx equals 3, find the value of integration sum of f of x plus 3gx minus 2 respect to dx from 1 to 5. Remember, dear student, integration from 5 to 1 equals negative integration from 1 to 5. 5 to 1 equal 3, then 1 to 5 equal negative 3. Solution. Integration of gx dx equals 3 from 5 to 1. Therefore, integration of 1 to 5 gx dx equals negative 3. By substitution about integration f of x plus 3 gx minus 2 respect to dx from 1 to 5, answer is integration of f of x dx from 1 to 5 plus 3 constant multiply integration from 1 to 5 gx dx minus 2 minus integration to dx. By substitution from 1 to 5, the first function integration is 8 from given, second function from given negative 3 multiply 3, third function negative 2x from 1 to 5. By substitution about x equals 5 and x equals 1. Answer is 2 times 5, 10, minus 2 times 1, 2, then 8 minus 9 equals negative 8 equals negative 9. Integration of sine x e power cosine x dx. Integration of 4x e power x squared plus 1 dx. Look at the solution. By putting f of x equal cosine x, then derivative equal negative sine x. Then derivative of cosine negative sine x. What you mean? Integration of sine x e power cosine x equals, what is the derivative of cosine? Negative sine. Then integration of sine x e power cosine x equal negative e power cosine x multiplied by negative sine x dx. This integration we find integration e power cosine x multiply negative sine x, negative, negative, positive. Look at cosine e power cosine x, its power cosine, derivative of cosine negative sine. Then integration is e power cosine x plus c. After that, dear student, look at f of x, x squared plus 2, f dash equal 2x. Then integration of 4x e power x squared plus 1 dx equals 4 multiply constant e power x squared plus 1 multiply to x dx equal 2 e power x power 2 plus 1 plus c. Dear student, we know that indefinite integral or definite integral is very important. The difference between definite and indefinite integral. This example, when we find definite integral from a to b or b to a, remember integration of function f of x from a to b equals negative integration f of x from b to a. Remember, dear student, integration of f of x from a to a equals 0. Why? Because after we find integration of the function by substitution about x equals a in the first and the second a, answer is 0. This example, we find integration of the function from negative 1, say example to 3. After we find integration, substitution about x equals 3, the first. After that, we substitution the value of x of negative 1 to find the value of integration. Dear student, the function f is polynomial. Why? Is polynomial function. Any polynomial function is continuous on R. All polynomial functions are continuous in R. Then integration from negative 1 to 3 bracket contains 4x power 3 plus 1 dx is x power 4 plus 1 plus x for negative 1 to 3 by substitution about 3 power 4 plus 3 minus negative 1 power 4 plus negative 1. What is the integration for x power 3? X power 4. Why? Because x power 3 is x power 4 over 4 multiply constant 4 Answer is x power 4. What is the integration of 1, dear student? Is x from -1 to 3. After that, by substitution, x equal 3. X equal 3. Then 3 power 4 plus 3 minus -1 power 4 plus -1. Answer is 84. Another example. Find the value of each of the following. Integration 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 dx from 1 to 2. Integration of 2 over square root x minus 1 from 1 to 5 dx. 3. Integration of cosine x dx from negative y over 2 to pi over 2. Solution. And find integration of sec x, sec theta, tan theta, d theta from 0 to pi over 4. Cosine dx, integration of dx over cosine square dx from pi over 4 to pi over 3. Solution. At the first, what is the integration? 3x power 2 plus 2x minus 1 from 1 to 2. 3x squared equal x power 3. Why? Because x power 2 is x power 3 over 3. Multiply 3 is x power 3. 2x is integration to x power 2 over 2 is x power 2. -1, what is the integration of constant? Is x. After that, substitution about x equal 2 and x equal 1, then subtract from 2 function. X power 3 is 2 power 3 plus 2 power 2 minus 2. After that, minus bracket contains 1 power 3 plus 1 power 2 minus 1. Answer is 2 power 3 plus 2 power 2 minus 2 minus 1 power 3 plus 1 power 2 minus 1 inside bracket. Answer is 9. After that, find integration of 2 over square root x minus 1 for all from 1 to 5 respect to dx. Remember, dear student, what is the square root x minus 1? X, student, x minus 1 becomes is x minus 1 for all power 1 over 2. This denominator is x minus 1 for all power -1 over 2. Then integration becomes 2 multiply x minus 1 for all power 1 over 2 dx. Then the bracket contains x minus 1 for all power 1 to 2 is 4 multiply x minus 1 multiply 2 1 to 5 4 multiply 4 power -half minus 0 is equal to 8. Integration of cosine x dx from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. What is the integration of cosine? Sine x from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. By substitution about x equal pi over 2, sine pi over 2, sine 90 minus sine -90. Answer is 1 minus -1 is equals 2. Dear student, by the end of the lesson, we know that many problems about integration, definite integration and indefinite integration. Dear student, I am very happy to spend such time with you. Goodbye.